Now this looks a little different. So our kitchen is finally taking shape. Just want to show you a couple things. This is our island. We went with a color called Black Pearl. So it's kind of got a nice color to it. And you can kind of see we went with something a little bit different. This is a subway, but it's actually a different type of tile. Kind of see how that's gonna look. And so kitchen really taking shape. The fireplace, I think I mentioned we were gonna do something a little bit different. Our buddy Christy killed it. She did this on this level and also downstairs. This is a German schmear. She actually reworked the fireplace doors, and I think it really looks. Oh, and the mantle, just what a super job. She'd kind of bring in the mantle. That is the original mantle, bringing it back to life. So just really nice. Like I say, outside, I just kind of step outside, kind of show you. Putting shutters up today. Kind of show you what that looks like. So I've got a buddy of mine that watches these videos from out of state. He said they'd be a whole lot more interesting if I would electrocute myself or hit myself with a hammer. So working on that, but really coming together. Now, the next thing that you'll see disappear out here, besides that light fixture, is these. I'm gonna have to get rid of these. It's kind of cool. 1960, not really the look we're looking for. So stay tuned.